So in this video, we are going to talk about the Gen 1 form. So let's first begin with who needs the Gen 1 form. So you only need to send this Gen 1 form after GMC has asked you regarding the reference from your employer. For example, if you have done any period of non-medical work completed within the last 5 years, or any period of medical work for which you do not hold the registration within the last 5 years, then you need to send the Gen 1 form. So each employer needs to complete this form and send back to the GMC from their official email. So please do not complete this form or any section of this form or employment reference by yourself. So that's very important. Do not complete any section of the employment reference yourself. So the first question is, who completes the form? So the form needs to be completed by your HR or applicants line manager, or for example, your current clinical supervisor or educational supervisor, and should not be completed by applicants. And how the form needs to be completed? They have clearly instructed it needs to be sent directly to the GMC by an email, included the applicant's name and GMC reference number for the applicants in the subject line. So they only accept the official email, and this form looks like this. It includes the applicant's detail, GMC reference number, period of employment, and in the section 2, it's all about the applicant's character regarding the medical capacity, whether or not they required any licenses, and sort of things like that. So once you fill that form, and once your employer fill this form and declare everything with the stamp and everything, then they needs to send back to the GMC. So this is very important, who needs to send this Gen 1 form. So this needs to be sent by applicants who have done any period of the non-medical work completed within the last 5 years, or any medical work for which the applicant do not hold a license for, and this needs to be completed by an employer. Please remember that, and send directly to the GMC from a professional email, not the personal email. If you don't have a professional email, which is the very common queries as well, then you need to write in the official letterhead, which includes the official stamp, and make sure your employer include your name and your GMC number in the subject line.